Hi everybody, my name is Dane and I'm here today to talk to you about this ignition coil, part number 22433AA602. This is the OEM ignition coil for 11 plus STI. This coil, it's one of the best ones you can get. Why? Because it's OEM. These OEM coil packs have proven time and time again that they are the most reliable and consistent and best option to get if you are looking for a reliable ignition coil, which aren't we all? These are made by Diamond Electric. They are sold individually. So who's the person that's going to be buying this? Well, it could be an array of a couple different folks. It could be the guy that's trying to diagnose a misfire. Typically, whenever I get a misfire, I start with spark plugs. A lot of the times folks will go ahead and just buy these with spark plugs. Again, they are sold individually, so if you just have one cylinder misfire, that's a nice thing. You can buy just one, you don't have to buy 4 of them, which these come in at around 145, 150 or so a piece. So by the time you add 4 of those up, it can get costly and you don't want to replace something that isn't broken. So that comes into diagnostic work, but we do keep a lot of these things here. These are, like I said, the most popular option that we have for replacement ignition coils, and they simply work. So for a quick and easy replacement, 22433AA602, it's a solid move. It's what I would do if it was my car. And again, these are sold individually. So if you are doing enough for your whole car, you will need 4 of these bad boys. But good news is we have a bunch of them at importimageracing.com.